Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to continue with my previous topic, calculation of sales commission. In previous video you have seen how we have set commission plan based on amount invoiced. So today we are going to set up a new plan based on amount total sales. So I have created a new person, salesperson 3, and give a tenure of this quarter, and period will be on monthly basis, and then achievement is based on amount sold. So previously we have seen amount invoiced. Now today we are going to discuss about amount sold. I do not put any product or category into it, and I would like to offer 1% flat commission on sales achievement. So this is my offer. I have been starting, and now I will create a sales order for my salesperson. I am another logged in user, but I would like to create sales order on behalf of my team, where we are selling maybe 4 bottles at 500 each, and then I am going to confirm the order. The salesperson is sales 3, and let's see how commission works based on my sold amount. So you can see as soon as I sold, sales 3 is able to achieve the commission based on the target amount. Okay, so target amount was 1000 rupees, and beyond the 1000 rupees what I have sold is totally 2000 rupees of amount which I sold, and based on that the company is offering 2% achievement, so that goes to 20 rupees. That's how the based on my sales the commission plan works. So let's see at our commission plan again. So what I have given is 1000 rupees of target, and then achievement is 1%. Okay, and then based on 1000 plus 1000 it give me 2% of achievement on commission. Now if I reduce this to 0, let's say I'm not giving any target to my salesperson, and then approve this and see how much commission is eligible. So it has registered 20 directly on my rate, like, because it is not giving any achievement rate, it is based on the flat achievement. I can see my commission. Okay, so that is 1% of 2000 means 20 rupees. So that's how it calculates. Now if I create a new sales order, the salesperson will remain sales 3, and then I am selling again something which is my bottle, and then I am selling 10 units at rate of 1000, whereby my total amount of sales goes to 10,000, and then I confirm the order. Now if I go and check my commission, it will become 120. How? So let's understand this. So total sold amount is 10,000 over here, and based on that 1% has been calculated as an commission rate, which you can see a source also as a SO28. So on SO28 I am eligible to get 100 rupees as commission, and in SO27 which was there, where I am getting this much. So when you set any plan which is based on achievement, the target won't matter over here. Now let's change it and then make target based commission for the same salesperson, where target is let's say 10,000 rupees, whereby the commission is 1000 rupees based on achievement of target, and my target is, let's say I am giving 10,000 rupees of target, and I would like to offer, let's say, 5% commission based on target. So this is how I would like to give target based amount to my salesperson, where he will be eligible to get 1000 flat commission based on his target. Now if he achieve 200% target, he will be eligible to get flat 4000 rupees. So that is how commission based plan works. So I have set target and then overachievement target. based on my previous order, when it was target amount set to 10,000, I am able to achieve 600 rupees. How? Let's see. So based on sales order 27, sales order 28, the total cumulative amount in my sales order is 10,000 plus 2,000, that is 12,000 rupees. And on basis of 12,000 rupees, I am eligible to get 5% commission. So that's how I will be able to achieve. So this is only achievement. There is no commission right now. Okay, I have to fulfill target of 10,000, and then I will be able to earn my commission. So my target was 10,000 rupees, and then I have made two sales order respectively, 10,000 plus 2,000. So that's how it gives me achievement rate. So achieved is 600. That's, I am eligible to get. Now if I am creating any new quotation based on my new rate, let's say I am selling at 20,000 rupees 2 bottles, and then salesperson will be sales 3. So I'm verifying sales 3, 40,000 rupees of total sales, and I confirm this order. Now if I check on my target, the achievement is 2,600 rupees. So achieved rate is 26% right now, you can see. Now if I go back and let's see our commission plan. So plan is based on this, and this is my salesperson settings, and target is 10,000, and this is my set commission based on total sold item. So that's how system is calculating the achievement rate. So when target completion is already this one, then I will be eligible to get this much particular achievement based on my target amount. So target amount is 10,000 till now, and this is my whole achievement. So this is how system is calculating the achievement based on my target. So now let's see, I am creating another quotation, and then let me revise the value to, let's say, 50,000 each. So total amount goes to 2 lakh rupees. Everything remains same, and I confirm this order. And now let's see the achievement. So achievement is 12,600. So now you can see commission start getting calculated based on sold amount. So when I hit the achievement of commission of 10,000, then system is start calculating the commission over here. But this is all the achievement rate which is there. You can see, so cumulatively I have achieved 12,600, and then achievement rate goes to 126%. After that I am eligible to get 1,780 rupees of commission. So let's see how system has calculated this based on total sales amount. So commission is 1,000 based on 100%. Achievement target is 10,000 rupees based on amount sold. So when I go to commission window, the achievement goes to 12,600, and all this achievement is mentioned over here based on my commission plan. So commission plan, let us review it again. Commission plan says if I will achieve 100% on the target commission rate, I will be eligible to get 1,000 rupees, and my target is 126% now. So based on that, system has calculated this commission 1,780 rupees. So let's see how exactly it is done. So if I monitor very closely what system has calculated. So 5% is my achievement rate here. So if I say 100% achievement, then for every sales order I will directly eligible to get commission. So you can see now I changed my achievement rate to 100%. So each and every sales order which I sold is now calculated full amount to achieve my target. So this is where the difference is based on this achievement rate, which makes entire difference, entire shift to calculate the commission. So when I go to 100%, then it calculates each and every order to fulfill my target, and my target was 10,000. I achieved 2,52,000 total amount of target. So this whole is my now considered as 100% achievement, and then I am eligible to get 4,000 rupees of flat rate commission based on my target. So this is how very smartly the entire plan has been configured, and based on this rate the target amount is being calculated on entire sales order amount. So hope you guys have got a very good understanding based on what is target, what is this rate, how it impacts our entire cycle based on total sold amount. Hope this will help many people to set up this particular plan based on total amount sold, either based on target, either based on achievement. Thank you guys. I will come up with the next video to introduce a new plan which is based on quantity invoiced and based on quantity sold. So that we will see in upcoming videos. Thank you guys.